Did you know your dog could get the common cold too? It's called kennel cough, and it has shut down a dog park in Waterbury for 2 weeks. Lindsay DeLucia is in our Rutland Bureau with more on this. Lindsay.
Well, Julie, just like you said, it is the common cold in your pets. And while it may not be life-threatening, it is incredibly contagious, which has some dog parks shutting down for a bit. We spoke with some people to see what exactly kennel cough is and what dog owners know about it.
But I have definitely been cautioned by vets at different points.
Rachel Farrat has heard about kennel cough, the medical term used to identify an upper respiratory infection in dogs, causing them coughing fits and other cold-like symptoms. But she's not worried about Harpo coming down with it.
I know it's highly contagious, and there's a vaccine for it. Our dog has the vaccine because he does shows, and he also comes to the paw house every year, so he's around other dogs a lot.
The Paw House in Clarendon is a special bed and breakfast, welcoming both people and their pups.
Before every guest comes, they fill out a form that they acknowledge that their dog is either vaccinated or titered for kennel cough, and they can't stay here without that.
The Paw House has never seen an issue with kennel cough. Frankenberg says they constantly clean and maintain consistent airflow, but guests ask him about the illness.
People are pretty aware that it's a problem, but my comment is always speak with your vet.
Yeah, we might be seeing an outbreak now because there's a lot of boarding. People are traveling a lot this summer.
Dr. Carol Gifford owns Riverside Veterinary Care in Rutland. She says the illness is spread when dogs are together in close proximity, but kennels are not specifically to blame.
You could bring your dog in for a routine visit. That dog could come in, cough near your dog, and your dog would get it that quickly. So it's very contagious.
Riverside sees a few cases every month, but this summer there's been a heavy presence.
A few weeks ago, we were seeing more cases of it, like 4 or 5 a week. We have a couple months ago, we were at the point where we were seeing multiple every day.
The increase in cases across central Vermont has caused dog owners concern. And while symptoms like coughing, lessened appetite, and nasal discharge could lead to something more serious, Dr. Gifford says the worry is unnecessary.
It's usually quite mild. They should just take the precautions to keep them well hydrated. Don't let them overexert themselves, and come in if they're concerned at all. But it's very, in the many years I've done this, I've seen very few dogs that get seriously ill.
Now, Gifford does point out that the vaccination does not protect against all organisms that cause kennel cough, but the best way to prevent it, really besides the vaccination, is just to keep any infected pet away from other dogs. Julie?
A lot of good information. Us dog owners need to know that stuff. Thank you, Lindsay.